expected, Mercedes Benz India has launched the Maybach S650 in India, starting at Rs 1.94 crore. This is the third Mercedes S-Series car in India, and this long wheelbase model will sit right at the top of the lineup. The Maybach S650 will replace the S600 here in India. Exterior features of the Maybach S650 include 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlamps, new tail lamps, and a restyled bumper. The Maybach S650 gets a 6-liter V12 biturbo engine that makes close to 620 bhp and a humongous peak torque of 1000 Nm.